What's up, you fucking college dropout? Classes are canceled from COVID, and the only freshman 15 you're getting is on Pornhub when your parents fall asleep. But we're not talking about sex, because today, we're making General Tso's chicken and waffles. General Tso's is going to be better than losing your virginity because it's going to be more than 30 seconds and it's not going to be some girl who's hate you because she can't stand her roommate and also might be a racist. That wasn't me. Chicken, flour, milk, baking powder, soy sauce, rice vinegar, hoisin sauce, maple syrup, cornstarch, green onion, egg, red chilies, sugar, vegetable oil. Last time I saw this much oil, I joined a fraternity. California's burning, so let's fry these bitches. Whoa. Most people don't know this, but General Tso's is as American as apple pie, or Taco Bell, or JonBenet Ramsey. General Tso's was my first love in college before that musical theater girl broke my heart. Here's a musical number for you. It's called The Clap. I've been to Belgium. The waffles are mediocre. They taste nothing like your parents splitting up. So now we're gonna make scallion waffles to complement the General Tso's. Lego my ego. I will murder your family. Now we wait. Just like I waited for my STD results in college. I still haven't heard back. Oh no, college is canceled. That's so sad. At least you didn't get rejected by the Glee Club, the improv troupe, and the girl who blew everyone on your floor. Yeah, every single person except me. Why? These waffles need syrup. Don't be a weirdo. Nobody likes dry waffles. The only thing dry in this building is probably your girlfriend. Let's be real, you suck at cooking. Oh, yeah. Make sure you follow, subscribe, tell your friends. I'm Chef Ahole.